Alright, let's dive into synchronized keyword. This is a medium-level question that comes up frequently in Java interviews, and it trips up a lot of candidates. It falls under multithreading, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. The synchronized keyword provides mutual exclusion. Only one thread can execute a synchronized block or method at a time. It works by acquiring an intrinsic lock, monitor, on an object. Synchronized methods lock on this instance or the class object, static methods. Synchronized blocks let you lock on any object, giving finer-grained control. Now, why does this matter in interviews? Synchronized is the most basic concurrency primitive in Java. Understanding it is essential for thread-safe code and for explaining more advanced alternatives like reentrant lock and java.util.concurrent. Let me go deeper. Every Java object has an intrinsic lock, monitor. When a thread enters a synchronized block, it acquires the lock. Other threads trying to enter a synchronized block on the same lock must wait. The lock is reentrant. The same thread can acquire it multiple times without deadlocking. Synchronized also establishes a happens before relationship, ensuring memory visibility across threads. Let's look at the code for synchronized keyword. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that synchronized method locks on this. Then, synchronized block locks on specific object, finer control. Then, other code runs without holding the lock. And finally, static synchronized locks on the class object. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning: don't synchronize on mutable references. Synchronized list breaks if list is reassigned to a new object. Always synchronize on a final lock object. Here's a dangerous trap: oversynchronization is equal to deadlock risk. Two threads each holding one lock and waiting for the other deadlock. Minimize synchronized scope and avoid nested locks. And a pro tip: prefer java.util.concurrent. Reentrant lock offers try-lock, fairness, and interruptibility. Atomic integer avoids locks entirely for simple counters. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Synchronized provides mutual exclusion via monitor locks. Use synchronized blocks over methods for finer granularity. Consider J.U.C alternatives for complex cases. And for your interview strategy, explain the difference between synchronized method, locks this, and synchronized block, locks any object. Then show why the block version is preferred. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.